How to change Instagram's Explore feed. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change or reset Instagram's Explore feed. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Instagram. Now if you want to change or remove your Explore feed, what you'll need to do is head over to the bottom right corner and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Now you're on settings and privacy, scroll down, and after you scroll down for a bit, under what you see, you will find content preferences. Head over there, and there you will see an option called reset suggested content. Tap on it and tap on next. Again, tap on reset suggested accounts or contents, and your contents, accounts, and everything will get reset. And that's the same for your explore page. And here you will notice that your explore page has now been changed. And that is basically how you can reset your explore feed on Instagram. Thanks for watching guys. That's basically it for today's video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more.